Levi Jones here from TSX Tuning. I just hit the 200 subscriber mark. I do appreciate all the support. If you liked the video today, please hit a like. Let's get into it. We got a good one today. Check it out. I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you guys this. It was absolutely craziness. Thousands of birds flying above me when I woke up in the morning. Enough of this. Let's get back to the vlog. While we were at the park, we heard there was a festival in my city. To say the least, we left the park to check it out. There was no spots in the whole parking lot. Let me show you. We actually came to this little carnival thing to get some food, watch some fireworks. Look at this. But luckily, we have handicap stickers. So, the only spot that was left, we in there like swimwear. Got you guys. I'm excited. Yep. Good luck finding this spot, guys. Unless you got handicap. I was gonna say it's police. That's what I thought it was. Look, these people are staring there. Yeah. Live music, some food stands, and fireworks, guys. We ate food, and within minutes, the fireworks were already starting. I'm gonna watch it shine. After a long day, I went home and passed out. Also, a few more things. Thanks so much for the support. A couple things. Come here, let me talk to you real quick. Now, come with me. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate all the support, all the help, all the comments, all the critique, everything. I've been super creative, loving life, and I appreciate everything. Stick with me, guys. I got some cool shit at the end. And this is the end, and I got some cool stuff coming up, guys. Watch me. One last thing. Hey guys, thanks for watching the whole video. I do appreciate it. My name's Levi Jones. This is TSX Tuning. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. If you liked the video, please hit a like. I've been spending a lot of time trying to make the best videos as possible. So I do appreciate it. Check you guys in a couple days. Peace.